Good morning everybody, welcome to your daily London analysis on Thursday the 17th of October. So first thing we'll do is take a look at what we've got coming out today in terms of the news. So we've got retail sales hitting the UK at 9:30 today. We've got the day one of the EU Economic Summit today as well. Moving further down the list, crude oil inventories is coming out this afternoon. That's something I generally have quite an interest in. And then we've got a few central bank speeches across the way. So not lots going on, but enough. So if we take a look at the news that's been going on overnight. So what we're seeing at the moment, we've got the US dollar fairly subdued. So what we saw is yesterday we basically had some retail sales hit the wires, and it came out pretty poor. There was an unexpected contraction there. So what we've seen is the dollar slip down. Elsewhere, we've seen Brexit-related optimism hit the market. So there's been a bit of a buying going on the UK pound. The problem with this is there's not actually a deal there yet, so I would suggest at least until the 31st when we know what's going on, or if we know what's going on, I would avoid the pound unless something really significant hits the feeds. So that would be my advice there. So the Aussie is the current performer. So we've seen some pretty good figures come through in that we saw a surprise decline in unemployment rate. So what happened from there is, OIS pricing just a 27% chance of a rate cut next month. Previously it was around 39%. So that's why the Aussie dollar is a bit strong today. Therefore, I'm quite interested in the Aussie US dollar pair. And of course I'll be looking to go long on this. Now there's a couple of interesting levels. The main one I'm looking at is the 38% level, which is here. So the reason why I'm interested in that particularly is, you can see as we had that big rally up, we saw resistance at the 38% retracement level, and it's tested a few times. Price finally broke through, so I expect that level now to become support, and the 38, 23 are always my levels of preference anyway, so that works out quite nice. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at today, guys. I'll let you know how it goes. In terms of New York analysis, I'm actually going to be away now until Monday. So just bear that in mind. So there's not going to be an analysis tomorrow, but then Monday we're going to be back to normal. And obviously Jerry's back as well. So the New York analysis will be at the usual time. Okay guys, but any questions, I will be over in the Telegram group, so do drop me a message throughout the day. I'll also monitor it tomorrow as well while I'm away. So, if anybody does need any urgent help, just let me know. Cheers.